let's get right down to business today, because I know you are ready to start your brand, but you like, Krystal Lee, girl, you keep saying you started with no money, but how do I make this happen? I posted it on my TikTok and everybody was like, but how? But how? But how? And I have been telling y'all for years how to do this, but I was like, you know what? We're gonna put it in one video. All right, we're gonna do this one time so all hearts and minds are clear on how you can start your t-shirt brand for no money. 3 different ways to do this right here, right now. But before we get into it, I need you to make sure you subscribed. All right, go ahead and become a part of this family and subscribe and like and comment so that other people can see these videos and start their businesses too, right? It's all about accountability. So let's jump right into it. The first way you can start your brand today for little to no money is on a t-shirt kind of marketplace platform. You have heard me talk about Teespring all of the time. Teespring is not paying me. They have never given me a dime. But this is how I started, right? So I have to tell you the truth and be completely transparent about how my journey got started. It was on Teespring. They are now called Spring. You can make t-shirts, mugs, leggings, all kind of stuff now, right? It's like a crowd-funded type of website, and they may have changed it now, but when I got started, I was able to put a t-shirt design up there, literally tell people where to go, click the link, and my store was housed on Teespring. People could go there, they could shop. Now the catch was, and again, that's back then, it may have changed now, that I had to sell a certain amount in order for them to actually print it, right? Sorry, y'all, TV tried to mess me up. So the catch with Teespring when I started was that you actually had to sell a certain amount in order for them to print it, which makes sense. They're a business. They're like, we're not about to play with you. I don't know if they still do it that way, but literally right now you can go on Canva, make a t-shirt design, or you can literally design your shirt right on a platform like Spring or another one like that. There's like TeePublic. There's a bunch of them. If you're like, I just want to try this out and I really don't want a whole lot of risks. So that is number one on how you can start today with no money. Number two, of course, you can connect with a print-on-demand company. You can click the link below, sign up for your Shopify trial. Now, you are going to have to select a plan from Shopify in order to actually start selling. They go through a bunch of different promotions. Sometimes it's like $1 for the first couple of months. Sometimes you actually have to pay. Just click below and you'll see whatever kind of deal you can actually get. Go ahead and sign up for Shopify, and then you can connect to a print-on-demand company like Printful, like Printify, and you can design your t-shirt directly on Printful or Printify, or you can do exactly what I said for number one, which is go on a site like Canva, design a logo, or get somebody to design a logo for you like I did, put it on there, and start selling your t-shirts today. All right. And the thing is, with a print-on-demand company, you're not going out and getting all this inventory, even for number one, right? So it's no risk if you decide like I want to move forward with a different t-shirt instead of the one that I've been selling. So this keeps you from investing a whole lot of money up front, but you're able to start without wasting a whole lot of time trying to figure it out, right? And of course, if you need more help with this, you can click down below in the description to learn about all of the things that I offer, my t-shirt masterclass, my free t-shirt webinar, all of that, if you would like my help on getting started. All right. Now, number three, this one can be fun, but it can also be challenging, and that is the pre-order model. This means that you would start your brand without actually having inventory on deck, but you're not doing one or two. You're actually going to go get the products after people buy them. Now, you're going to have to be very, very clear. Hear me. Very, very clear with your customers on how long this process is going to take. But listen to what I'm saying and do what it is I'm about to tell you to do, all right? And it'll work out. So you're gonna get people extra hyped up. They're gonna see your shirt. They're gonna be like, oh, I like that. When can I get that? You could go ahead and pre-order it right now. It will be available in about 3 to 4 weeks, but get yours now because they're going to sell out. I have so many people that want them, so make sure you get your order in now. So once you get all of your orders in, then you're gonna take that money and you're gonna go actually get the t-shirts printed and ship them out, right? This way you're able to start. You got people excited and hyped up. You can see what they're actually gonna buy, and then you go buy it and you ship it out, right? So there are 3 different ways that you can start your t-shirt brand today for no money. Of course, there are some little things that you may have to do, but I want you to cut out the excuses, stop waiting around, stop talking about what you can't do, and start your business ASAP. All right, if you have more questions, comments, all of that, make sure you drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, right? We want to help as many people as possible, and I am rooting for you and your brand. I cannot wait to see your new t-shirts. All right, see you next time.